Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy and Halal. Today we'll be making healthy, delicious, wholesome banana bread. I'll promise you, you'll never have any leftovers for this one. To make this, we need 1.5 cups of white whole wheat flour, half cup of ground flaxseed, half teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, half cup of honey, half cup of Greek yogurt, 5 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 whole eggs, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 cups of mashed banana. We can add half cup of chocolate chips and half cup of walnuts. Before you start making it, make sure you have 2 bowls handy. Let's start making it. Mix all the dry ingredients together with a whisk. So the dry ingredients we have are whole wheat flour, ground flaxseed, then baking soda, baking powder, vanilla powder, cinnamon, and then the salt. So use a whisk to mix these dry ingredients. Now take another bowl and mix all the wet ingredients like the mashed bananas, eggs, then the honey, the yogurt, and the coconut oil. Go ahead and use a whisk to mix them really well. When the ingredients are mixed well, now add the dry ingredient mixture into the bowl. So once you have done that, continue mixing it. So now you should have a fine mixture. Add the walnuts and chocolate chips to the mixture. Make sure the chocolate chips and the walnuts are evenly mixed. Apply parchment paper to the baking pan. Now pour the mixture into the baking pan. Make sure to smoothen the top. Now we are ready to start baking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now place the baking pan in the oven. Set a timer for 60 minutes. So after 60 minutes, take out the baking pan and check if the banana bread is baked well. Okay, looks fabulous. Guys, it just smells so good in here. I hope you guys will enjoy the banana bread, and I'm sure I will enjoy this, and my kids will love it. Guys, I hope you love this banana bread recipe. Do leave comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like these recipes. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.